How to get a refund on CapCut after USA ban. Now, if you can no longer access CapCut using the CapCut application from Play Store or through their official site, which is going to be the CapCut.com. If you can no longer access both of those options, then the best way that you can do is to use your web browser. Now, from your web browser, just simply type in CapCut support. Now you should have at least a screenshot of the error message stating that you no longer have access with the CapCut on your current region, which is going to be the USA. Now after the ban, all you have to do is to choose on the second option here, which will take you out to CapCut customer support. So if you scroll down a bit, there's going to be a certain field in it. You'll have to fill out these necessary forms. So you'll have to add your name, the email address associated with your CapCut account, and then the subject, which is going to be a refund, and then the thorough message on where the refund or why would you like to have that certain refund. So that's it. That's the easiest way, or that's the last resort that you can do for you to be able to get a refund on CapCut after USA ban.